everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Bianca.
And I'm Colin.
And so we just moved, we got the keys, we are in our new apartment, and we are gonna be doing an empty apartment tour. Let's walk through it. I'm low-key super pissed off because I assumed that this whole apartment was going to be hardwood floors because that's what they told me, and our bedroom is carpet, which is like, it's just annoying because that's the #1 like reason why we really liked this apartment. So yeah, we have to go figure that out because they told us that there would be hardwood floors throughout the whole thing. But besides that, we really like it. So yeah, we're just gonna show you guys around really quick. So here's our front door, and then once you come in here, there's like this drawer area, space, soft close drawers, shelving, a bunch of stuff like that. And then there's also this wall, so we'll have to do something with that. And here is like a storage closet, so we're actually thinking we're gonna like store most of our camera equipment and stuff like that. But yeah, that's that. And then you come in here, and there's like this huge archway, so that's really cool. And then right when you walk in, this is supposed to be a dining room, but we're actually using it as like an office type space. So right here, it's gonna be...
It actually looks way bigger than the other one, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It feels bigger.
It's gonna be like our little desk area. Then we're gonna decorate this wall somehow. Oh, by the way, we chose apartment number 2. No, sorry, I should have said that. I'm honestly so frazzled because of the carpet, so I'm sorry. And that's like first world problems, but when you're paying so much for an apartment, you like want it to be like what you toured. Because the model had wood floors. But here's where our washer and dryer are, and then it opens up into the kitchen. So we have like dark gray and white cabinets. We have a nice big fridge and freezer, which I really appreciate. And then dishwasher cabinets. I love this part. We have a gas range, stove, and then here's where our microwave is. Also our trash is in here, so that's pretty cool. And then we do have a movable island, so we're gonna end up moving that to the center, but right now it's against the wall. And then this is our living room. So it's this nice big area. Our couch delivers tomorrow, so that's cool. And then right here goes out to the balcony, but I'm gonna work on that and get stuff wrapped there. Then there's another archway. This is like the water heater. And then here's our carpeted bedroom. But what we did like about it is that there's his and hers closets. So hers is over here, and then his closet is right over here. And also, wow, your closet looks bigger than mine.
Oh, but it's his one, so.
And then also the outlets have USB cables, so that's pretty cool. And then you just come across, and here's our bathroom. So we have a shower curtain, toilet, all this stuff. Cabinet storage in here. So yeah, that's what's going down. So here's the apartment. Make sure you subscribe so you figure out what happens with the carpet situation. But my mom's here too. We're about to start unloading and unpacking and everything. So if you guys were following up with us on Instagram, you would have known that we had apartments 1, 2, and 3 to choose from. So we did go with apartment number 2. I'm so excited as soon as we get the carpet picking out. I'm so frazzled right now. Like again. Anyways, should we be done? Should we start moving?
Yep.
So that's just our little tour. We're gonna have so many videos coming forward with like moving vlogs and stuff and decorating. We just kind of wanted to run through it because my family's here to help us move.
So yeah, we gotta kind of move and be quick.
Yeah, so here's the apartment. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe down below for more videos to come, and we will see you guys in our next video.